and I love the creamy tartar sauce. I added a bit of hot sauce for a kick and spice. It's so delicious. She's also pretty good at cooking, and then finally thinking mac and cheese is creamy and comforting. Next up, I wanted to try some soul food, so I went to Sylvia's. My favorite thing here was actually the free cornbread, which is warm, buttery, and slightly sweet. I would come back just for this. $5.50 lemonade was a bit too sweet for me, so I skipped this. For the main, I got $24 fried chicken with sides. The chicken was hot, crispy, but could be juicier. And grainy for my taste.
Bawal sa'yo, bawal sa inyo to.
Ano bawal pwede? Pinakain namin yun ni Dahil sa amin. Dati. Pwede sa atin yan. Huwag ka maniwala.
All the groceries to my parents' house, which is where we'll be The first order of business was to prepare a garlic citrus herb marinade to inject the turkey with from the underside and then pop it back.
Not my age of not eating $100 corn dogs when this happened.
Oh, thank you for
Starting with potato corn dog, but then she realized there was not a single piece of meat.
What a bad boy.
Secretly picked up Whoppers from her baggie.
Always eat that chicken.
But the chick cleaned it and left no crumb. Inhaled my Whoppers. Roman corn dog, where's the cheese at?
I smell it in your mouth.
I was gonna say the same, but I wanted to eat food.
Nami ka?
Hot Cheetos gassing fire. Diarrhea definitely waiting on her cheeks. Lunch in the Philippines.
Oh my god, look at that. Heaven. My girlfriend wants lechon manok, so we're gonna go buy some. And luckily across the street from us is a Balibo. Now there's one problem, he's really hungry.
Wow!
So before we go buy
Asin
chicken,
na naman. 5 minutes later, wait.
wants lechon.
Okay na guys, ubos na siya. Good luck!